mag odhiambo. Erokamano ahinya Sharon Ong'aw. Ni Jotaa tije mamine nobago romo kiny ma kawuono ka giriwo paro ewi midhiero mamine tije kanyakla kod yudo duoko ewi chandruogego. Romo nokelo kanyakla opogore opogore manie apis mamalo kotelnegi kod Harriet Shagai ma en jang'ad rieko e weche ma jatend piny Kenya owacho ni joma mine onego bed kanyakla mondo mi ober kuondegi mag tije.
It is a promise to enhance the livelihoods and welfare of Kenyans through its key pillars, which is agriculture, micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs economy, housing and settlement, healthcare, digital superhighway, and the creative economy. I would like to draw your attention.
These initiatives are geared towards availing opportunities for equal participation of women and men in all aspects of life. So the resultants of effects of better agenda in supporting women leadership will include increased opportunities for women leadership, increased participation of women leadership linkages, and livelihoods and household lives.
Romo no mabiro kelo kanyakla weg wege